Alright, let's cut bullshit. You are not profitable in 2025 because you keep doing the same dumb shit and calling it the grind. So today I'm giving you 11 truths, 11 things to stop doing if you actually want to win. No sugarcoating, no hand-holding, just facts. Let's go. Stop over-leveraging. You are not flipping 100 to 10K. You are just flipping your sanity into the frustration. Risk 1% like a pro because no matter how confident you are, one trade can wipe you out. And when you are wiped out, you are done. Stop over-trading. Every random trade you take is just you saying, I'm bored, I am undisciplined. The market doesn't care if you are bored. You don't get paid to be active. You get paid to be precise, and 1 to 2 trades per day is more than enough. Less is usually better. Stop forcing trades. No setup, no trade. If it doesn't meet your rules, if it's not clean, if it doesn't make perfect sense, sit on your damn hands. You don't get extra points for the trying. You get punished for the stupidity. Stop getting greedy. This is where the account nukes begin. Do you take profit at 2R? No? You extend to the 6R because it feels right, and then boom, back to the break-even. You are not a god. Take your profit. Manage your trades. Grow your account like a pro. Stop hesitating and being scared. Scared traders exit early. They second-guess everything. If you have done your work, backtesting, planning, journaling, then execute. You either trust your edge or you are just gambling nervously. Stop being overconfident. Confidence is earned. You win a few trades and now you are tweeting about retiring next year. Get real. Respect the market or it will humble you fast. Stop overanalyzing your trades. Know your trigger and pull the damn trigger. If you are flipping through the 10 time frames and the 5 indicators after you are already in the trade, you are sabotaging yourself. Plan your trade, execute it, and let it breathe. Stop blaming the markets. Market didn't do anything wrong. You did. You misread the structure, you got the emotion, you ignored your rules. It's on you. Every loss is feedback. Either use it or repeat it. Stop listening to your friends unless your friend is getting consistent payouts. Why the hell are you copying their trades? Trading is not a group project. Learn solo, fail solo, and win solo. That's how this game is played. Stop watching trading YouTube all day if you already know your strategy. Stop consuming. Start executing. There is no next big hack or another secret that's going to save you. The only secret is a discipline, perfect execution, and your experiences on the markets. Period. Stop repeating the same mistakes. Over-leveraged again, FOMOed into another trade, ignored your stop loss. You are not evolving. You are looping. Start journaling and study your habits like your life depends on it, because your future absolutely does. Alright, look, you don't need more education, you need more execution. You need a real system, one that's mechanical, backtested, and emotionless. That's why I have built CLS, a strategy that removes the guesswork and the emotions, and mainly the overthinking. So if you are done playing around and you are ready to build the real edge, click the link in the description and join the Trading Hunters Academy. And let's build your game plan and get to trading like a machine. Until then, stop being soft. The market isn't going to wait for you to grow up. Hope you get it right now, and I see you in our community.